Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BST Tech. In today's video we have two laptops. On my right hand side is an HP EliteBook X360 G2 touch and type. You can fold this machine, as you can see on my screen. You can use this as a tablet or as a laptop. It's a touchscreen laptop, and if you look at the physical hardware specifications on this machine, we have Windows 10 running on top of i5 7th generation. Additionally, we have 16 GB of RAM, and we have 8 GB of shared GPU memory. If I take you towards the task manager and if we look into the performance tab, so for a machine of this size, 8 GB shared GPU memory is fair enough to perform complex or simple tasks. Funny enough, we have Windows 10 running on this machine. We don't want to upgrade this machine to Windows 11, which will basically slow down the entire machine. On my left hand side is a gaming laptop, Acer Nitro 5. If you look at the overall hardware specifications, we have i5 9th generations processor on this one, 8 CPUs. Additionally, we have 16 GB of RAM, and on top of that we have 240 GB of NVMe instead of SSD. SSD, we kept it for additional gaming storage, which was recently upgraded from a hard drive, which has boosted the overall performance on this machine. As you can see, i5 9th generation with 8 CPUs, and again Windows 10, which is fair enough. It speaks for itself. We haven't upgraded this machine to Windows 11 as well. We did for a few weeks time, but after having a bad experience with Windows 11, non-compatibility issues and a lot of other problems, we reverted back to Windows 10, which is performing super fine. Here we have a dedicated GPU of 8 GB, and we have a GTX 1650 on this machine, which is fair enough for an entry-level gamer. Let me take you towards the device manager, and I'll show you. Here we have display adapters, Intel Ultra HD, and second one is GTX 1650 PCI bus 1. So we are going to restart these two laptops at the same time, and we will see which one is going to perform fast. So here we have the restart button on these two laptops, and we'll restart these two at the same time. Windows 10 versus Windows 10, non-gaming versus gaming, a GTX 1650 or an Intel Ultra HD 620 with Windows 10 on board on these two devices. Acer logo appeared first, followed by the HP on the EliteBook G2. Windows logo appeared on the G2, and as you can see that Acer Nitro is taking the lead. Completely boot up to the main screen. 16 GB with NVMe has taken the lead, and 16 GB with SSD is obviously lacking behind. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, do let us know in the comment section below. I'll see you soon at another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.